There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now.
Hey y'all, hey, what's up y'all? What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Whenever y'all watching this video, what's up? So girl, look, it's real early here. It is 8:48 in the morning, girl. Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready because for one, I do have a doctor's appointment. So at 10:30, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this video before we leave because this wig is pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. Okay. What else? I'm missing something. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-approved, pre-styled. Like it's just pre-maxed everything, pre-approved. Put it on your head, and before you leave the door, you listen. Look, it's one of those. And girl, listen, y'all already know who this is by. This is by one of the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Okay, you can't get no less from the best of the best. Okay, yes, Myfirstwig. Now listen, hold up, shut the front door, girl. This is a bang wig. This is a 𝗣𝗿𝗲 wig with some highlights. A bang wig would be really, really easy because I mean I don't really have to hairspray it like that. And plus you could get this in two different textures. You could get it in Yaki, which your girl got right here, or you could get it in silky. You know I got it in a Yaki texture, and I think she looks pretty damn nice in a Yaki texture. She's 16 inches. She's full of life. She's fun. Now, I don't know about the bangs because I know the bangs fall different for each person. So it depends on how you want to wear it. So, girl, look, we just going to get into this. I'm going to show you how the wig comes from Myfirstwigs. You know what I'm saying? Myfirstwig, where you can get the best of the best of the best. Check out their website. Check out their clearance store. And check them out in general, girl. Don't say I didn't warn you about how amazing they are because they got some amazing units. So let's just jump into this. Okay, girl? Yes.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you go.
What? What I tell y'all, the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. This wig is definitely a go-to put it on, get out the door. You just got to customize the actual bangs to fit you, you know, depending on your head length, girl, or preference. Like these bangs, now normally I am a thicker bang girl, but these bangs is perfect. Like this wig is perfect. Look at this hair flow, girl. So yes, this is definitely a go-to wig, girl. I'm loving it. I didn't really even have to trim off that much on the bangs, girl. Nice and full. Like some people like their bangs really, really full. I'm one of those who like the bangs like really, really full, but I really do like these bangs. Like, you know, you gotta try something different out all the time. And this really goes, like, even though it's not as thick, these are some really nice bangs. Like you can definitely add more to it if you wanted to, but I think this combo right here is definitely perfect. Yes, what I tell y'all, did my first wigs come through or what? The best of the best of the best of the best of the best, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, baby. Do it like you born to slay. Okay, do it, girl. Look, this is like the easiest pre-maxed everything wig. Like you didn't even have to really do much. Just customize the bangs to fit your preference. And girl, that's it. You didn't even have to curl it. It's perfect. It came out the box ready to wear, styled, and ready to go. Like I said, this comes in 2 different textures, Yaki and Silky. So girl, choose your preference and get you one. But I love the highlights in it. They did a really good job with this. This is some nice flowy Yaki hair. And like I said, it's 16 inches. And the bangs are not too thick to where, you know, it's summertime, you're not going to be too hot with the bangs. Cap fits great. Lace is melted. You don't need to glue it down. You don't need to hairspray it down. I just hairsprayed the edges down right here. And that way, if I wanted to put it behind my ear, I could do so. I didn't even cut any sideburn hairs because I wanted them to hang like longer this time. So I just left them as they was. So this is a really cute wig, girl. This is really cute. Okay. I did not know I was going to like this wig like this, but I'm liking it. And it's not hot. The bangs are not going to sweat me out. Girl, yes, get you one. Check out my first wigs, y'all. You already know what I tell y'all. The best of the best of the best of the best of the best. I love y'all. I will leave everything down below. You already know I got to go. Definitely had time to do my video and then go to my appointment and still got time to spare. Okay, girl, yes, best of the best of the best. Let me know what your thoughts are and all that good stuff. I hope you have an amazing day when you're watching this, and I will see y'all in the next one. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs it up, and I love you guys, and stay safe.
For real. You ain't even ready for real.